Every morning on your way to work, you stop for tea or coffee. You spend 20 rupees here. A quick snack in the afternoon and spend 30 rupees there. Maybe an online food order, a soft drink, or a small impulse purchase, another 50 rupees. By the end of the day, you've spent around 100 rupees. Nothing unusual, nothing that feels expensive. In fact, most people don't even notice where that money went. And that's exactly the problem, because most people say, I don't earn enough to invest. I'll start investing when my salary increases. I don't have spare money right now. But the truth is that many of us spend small amounts every day without thinking twice. 100 rupees doesn't feel like much. It's just a coffee, just a snack, just one small purchase. But here's where things get interesting. 100 rupees every day becomes 3,000 rupees every month. And 3,000 rupees every month becomes 36,000 rupees every year. Now imagine taking that same 3,000 rupees and investing it into a mutual fund SIP instead of spending it. If you invest 3,000 rupees every month for 30 years, you would invest a total of only 10.8 lakh from your pocket. But because of the power of compounding, that amount could potentially grow to nearly 1 crore. Think about that for a moment. The difference between spending and investing was not 100 rupees per day. It was not a huge inheritance. It was not a massive salary. It was just 100 rupees a day. That's the power of consistency. Most people believe wealth is created through big actions, big salaries, big businesses, big investments. But in reality, wealth is often built through small decisions repeated over and over again for decades. The wealthy don't become wealthy because of one perfect investment. They become wealthy because they develop habits that work in their favor. They invest first and spend what remains, while others spend first and invest later. Every day, your money gives you a choice. Spend now and enjoy a few minutes of satisfaction, or invest now and create decades of future freedom. Neither choice feels important today, but over 10, 20, or 30 years, those small choices create completely different lives. One path leads to temporary pleasure, the other leads to financial freedom. So the next time you are about to spend an extra 100 rupees, ask yourself one simple question. Will this purchase improve my life tomorrow? Or would that 100 rupees work harder for me as an investment? Because financial freedom isn't built with big salaries. It's built with small decisions repeated consistently for decades. And that brings me to one final question. Will you spend your next 100 rupees? Or will you invest it? If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to Invest Right Academy for simple investing and wealth building lessons every week.